Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified of more videos. I am here to show you in this video my veggie box. Yeah, so I wanted to try growing different varieties of lettuce hydroponically, and so far so good. So this portion of the video, I'm just showing you what was in my box. It came with everything that you see in this portion of the video, everything but the seeds and water. Alright guys, this is a quick video on the veggie box. I have already filled the seeding box with water on the bottom. I have put the seeds, the sponges in, and so far I have put in the Swiss chard seeds. I put those in the middle, and next I'm going to put in some gourmet greens mix. I'm going to put it on each side here. I'm also going to do spinach and arugula. And cilantro, because when I try to grow it outside, it's not working. The snails eat it. Alright, so here we go. It is very important to make sure that the sponges are fully saturated before you put it in your cabinet, in a dark cabinet, because the seeds needs to be under water just a little bit, and so your sponges need to be fully saturated so that they're sitting flat and not floating in the seedling tray. Okay, as you can see, I have the seeds planted in each of the sponge pods, and I have it numbered on the side. So this is, I don't know if you can see it, 1 through 6 on this side and 7 through 12 on this side. And I am going to put them underneath the cabinet. But before I do, I'm going to also show you how I'm keeping track. So for me not to be confused and forget which seed is planted where, I have recorded it in my notebook, and my notebook has like all the different things that I'm growing, just some notes about each plant, and yeah. Okay, so I am going to put this in a dark space, probably in the cabinet for 24 hours, and then we'll go to the next step. So I will see you tomorrow.